fam, I am back with another video and today I'm actually shooting at our dance studio. I'll show it to you quickly. Here it is, here's our little space and I'll come back to, okay, cool, alright. In today's video I'll probably talk to you guys about what my entire journey has been like from where I started, where I am right now, and not sure of where I'm gonna go. I'll probably share my journey from where I started. I'll tell you what, I have actually done my college from SEP University and I did SBST, which is School of Building Science and Technology. Think of it more as a civil engineering course. It is basically a bachelor's in construction technology. So I am an engineer by profession and it was like a 5-year long course. I have done a lot of internships on sites. I graduated with really good grades from SEPT, and I'll probably add pictures here from my graduation. My graduation was actually in COVID, so I was at home celebrating it. But yeah, that's where I actually started. उसकी पहले की जर्नी तो बहुत लंबी है, बहुत बड़ी है. I was actually a national level table tennis player and I left that because of 10th, 11th. I was supposed to give JEE. The biggest joke and irony of my life was I signed up for a JEE advanced class at Ellen and I did not even pass JEE main. If people who know know it, they know it. But that was what it was. I applied at a lot of places, but I then gave NATA also. आप बोलो उतनी exams दी है मैंने for college, but I think my parents and my family were sure that I need to go in a very good college. So probably that was like a priority. And SBST में all over India rank mine was 3rd. So I was like, चलो कुछ तो होगा probably. So which is why I just went for it. But I think 4th and 5th year I realized that this is not something I want to do, and साइट वाली जॉब तो नहीं हो पाएगी बिकॉज पापा का बिजनेस तो नहीं है कंस्ट्रक्शन में कि इट वुड हैव बीन सुपर ईजी टू जस्ट जॉइन हिम for the business. So that was not an option for me, and that is when in my 4th, 5th year I started doing a lot of internships in marketing. So I did internships where I was paid 0. I did my probably 2nd or 3rd internship which paid like 3,000 rupees a month, kind of an internship with a lot of agencies, with a lot of freelancing job, and I was anyway handling that for my mom's brand. She owns a Indian clothing brand here in Ahmedabad. So I was just helping her out, and that is when I thought कि चलो social media में कुछ तो है, try कर सकते हैं. And COVID के time पे I did a lot of courses, I did a lot of internships, and जैसे कोविड ख़त्म होने आया था, that is when I actually applied for my first job. I started applying on LinkedIn for, and तब तो work from home was like it was at its peak. So I started applying and I got my first job before I graduated. तो मेरा graduation या मेरा jury जो था उसके पहले I already had a job in hand. For the first 2 months I worked part time, and उसके बाद से when my college was done I started working there full time. I still remember that salary was around 30,000 per month, but for starters it was a really good one, and yeah, I think it really gave me like a very good start. Cut to my so during my 2nd year of college, I will simultaneously add on my dance journey as well. In my 2nd year of college, I think 2017 is when I started my dance training, and I properly trained for like good 2.5 years. जितना एक diploma होता है उतना I trained myself. I used to train at least 3.5, 4 hours a day. And उसके बाद COVID के time में I was actually having my teachers training, wherein I was getting trained to be an instructor, be a teacher, and I got my training done. I mean, I'm trained in jazz, contemporary, ballet basics. So, and my husband Jay was my mentor when I was training. So that is how basically we met. I'll probably do another video on how we met, what was our story and all of that. But yeah, so that is how simultaneously both of these things were anyway going. So मेरी first job के साथ anyway my teaching का dance teaching का career had started. I had started assisting other instructors in classes. I assisted for like good 2 years, I mean, I started taking solo classes as well, but simultaneously for good 2 years I was assisting constantly to keep learning कि भाई what can be better, what I can do better, what is my specialty in dance if, as an instructor and all of that. So I was also exploring myself as an instructor, choreographer. From there onwards, I think my jobs changed. I think I had my second job, then my third job, which is like my current job at smartly.ai, and my dance career was something which I felt like, to be honest, I started as a dance instructor with literally a 3,000 rupees ka salary per month, wherein like I was there for 5-6 hours a day, just moving, just dancing. And I get it, I got to learn a lot. I learned a lot. I created a lot of my own movements, a lot of my own choreography pieces, a lot of my own shows, and the exposure that I got has definitely built what I am as a dancer today. So no guilt, no regrets on that end. But I think till like my 6.5 years of teaching, I did not see a lot of growth in me. My growth was stuck as a dancer instructor, and I felt the growth that you see money wise was really bad. I mean, I was literally not growing each year. There was like a 2-3,000 increase. I'll be very honest. I'm going to be very transparent here. So I was definitely not up for doing that, and I think me and Jay were anyway gonna get married, and we thought, okay, that was the time to start our own thing. I'll probably have another video on this as well, as to how our story of Sanj was, how it actually started. It's a really interesting story. But that is how Sanj was born. And uske साथ साथ my current job was also like Smartly के साथ, it was going really well. I was learning a lot. I had to make a lot of decisions of my own. I think मेरे office में भी first offsite was at Bali, second offsite was at Phuket. I'm doing a lot of different things at my current job, and similarly for Sanj. So I think that is how my entire story has been, and I literally started with earning 3,000 per month on both the sides, and today I think I'm still not yet open to share my entire thing with you guys. I don't know, I'll be probably transparent enough in some time, but if you see, there are days where I earn like 2.5 to 3 lakhs per month, and there have been months where I've touched like 6.5 lakhs per month, and I am extremely grateful that I'm extremely grateful for the journey that I've had, because I have literally gone step by step, learning anything and everything, and also learning what not to do. So I think, yeah, I mean, it's a very overwhelming thing to even talk about it, because I've had friends, family tell me that this is not the right way. You will not be able to earn. ऐसे तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा. Social media में तो कोई earn ही नहीं कर सकता, and dance में तो कोई कैसे ही earn कर लेगा. But let me tell you what, the earnings that I have currently, बहुत मेहनत से बनाया है, and it's a lot more than you think you could earn from these two career paths. So I think it has been a really interesting journey till now, and I cannot wait to see what it can be going further. I've had to fight a lot. I've had times when I was switching jobs, जब my parents were like, Sanjana, go back to your engineering, find a job there, you might start earning more. And that is when I actually found my current job. और उसके साथ साथ then Sanj came in, and मेरे dance का earnings also got a lot better. So yeah, I think the last 2 years have been life changing for me, and I've learned a lot through all of this. So yeah, don't let anyone tell you that you will not be able to earn from a artist based or a creative based field. You can. Similarly for your social media, level up and you will see that in yourself. So yeah, I think that was my video for the day. I have been delaying my day in a live video for a long time now, because I realize that it takes a lot of your effort to सुबह सुबह video लेके उठो and बात करो कि भाई this is my day, takes a lot of your effort. So I'll probably come to that very soon. But yeah, I think that's the gyan for the day. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.